Go.
So our topic today is separation pay. So it is the money given to an employee who loses their job, not because of their fault, but the valid company reason called authorized causes. It acts as financial help when an employee's work and ends due to certain conditions. So if you get this if you lost your job because of number one, retrenchment. So it means the company reduce workers to prevent losses. So number two, closure of business. So the company stops operating but not because of a big financial loss. So number three, serious illness. You have a disease that cannot be cured within 6 months and working would harm you or others. So this is the example. So let's proceed to our example. So the example is, if you work 4 years, you'll get 1/2 month pay. So if you times it into 4 years, it is equivalent to 2 months pay. Go.
Our next topic is 1 month pay per year of service. Number one, installation of labor service saving devices. Company replace your work with machines. Number two, redundancy. Your position is no longer needed or there are too many employees doing the same work.
Go.
For example, if you work 5 years, you get 1 month pay. Times 5 years equals 5 months pay.
Go.
Good morning, everyone. This is our conclusion, our topic today. Number one, the employee must give a written notice to the employee and delay at least 1 month before termination. Number two, separation pay is based on the employee's latest salary, including regular allowances. Number three, if restatement is not possible, like company closure or not available position, like employee should receive separation pay instead. Thank you for watching our video today.